Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this ESR camera lens protector set for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Important to know for you, I'm not affiliated with this company. I paid full price. These protectors are glass, I think even H9, which have the same hardness, which usually have glass screen protectors. I think that's the highest which we can get these days. Come even with some warranty. By the way, this is a pretty detailed review because at the end I'm going to compare pictures before and pictures after that. That's probably also what you want to see, if the camera is still the same as before. So what we get here is some quick setup video, then this pry tool. If you have installed it and need to remove, maybe it's connected or you don't want to use it anymore, you just can lift it up. Another video tutorial here, actually the instructions manual. If you're interested to read that, I hope it's focusing nicely. That's the information on the second page, probably the information how to use to remove it if you like. Then we get all the cleaning tools which are needed: wet wipe, dust removal sticker, then this cleaning towel, and of course the lens kit itself. You can see some comparison to some other lens set which I have. That's what I got for free when I bought the screen protector of this phone. You can see bends easily, definitely not really good protection. That's of course much better here. So of course I guess we have to remove the case. So let's take it out, putting it flat on the desk. This is matte which I got in the set when I bought the screen protector. So I've washed my hands. Let's open this wet wipe. Important to not only clean the lens but also a little bit around, so it has a good nice hold, using my fingernails here around. So I hope that should be it. Now I'm removing all the streaks here which I've applied with the wet towel. Okay, should be good. Now we use one of these dust removal stickers. Maybe check them with a magnifying glass if everything is really perfectly clean. So I would say it looks good to me. Now we have to remove the sticker and align it properly. Maybe the most difficult part here, to properly align it. Yeah, okay, was not too difficult. Just move it a little bit around and only after that fully press it down. It almost soaks to the housing, similar to a screen protector. And now we should be able to just remove, lift it up. Yeah, looks good. Okay, lenses are gone. Of course, we do not have protection here for this thing, but that's just the light. It's no lens. Looks really good, I would say. Give it a final clean. Push a little bit down. Not lifting up this at the moment, only if I really have to. Now very important to see if the case still works. I push it down here, pull it a little bit to the side. And that's definitely no problem. You can see there's still a tiny gap here all the way around. So I'm going outside and shoot the comparison pictures so I can show them to you side by side. By the way, this rim here on this case is still a little bit higher than the lenses here, so still nice protection. Okay, and so I'm here with some comparison pictures. The ones on the left side were the pictures before adding the lens, and the ones on the right side after adding the lenses. For me, it looks like the blue of the sky is a little bit more blue than this one here. I mean, it's just 15 minutes apart, should be pretty much the same. Let's go a little bit into detail. I would say looks similar, but the colors are a little bit stronger on the left side. Watch this red here. It's definitely not much. It's very, very, very little, almost not noticeable. Then this thing here, I would say very similar, slightly deeper blue here than here, and especially maybe the tree here in the back. Watch the tree here. I would say we have a similar angle, similar zoom. And the image here on the left side is a little bit sharper, has a little bit deeper colors. Not much, but slightly noticeable. Then the most difficult shot here against the sun. You can see that also here. On the left side, better image. On the right side, a little bit more cloudy. Not much, but just a little bit. I would say there's a little bit of a halo effect here on the right side with these lens protectors, which we don't have here on the left side. Also a little bit deeper colors in general. Here in this difficult lighting situation, probably the biggest difference, but still very decent. I would say we are complaining on a very high level. When we are watching these pictures here in general, the new images, there's not much to complain. Probably 99% of the people would not even notice that there is something on the lens. Also a short moonshot video and a photo of the moon during the day, which is definitely difficult. Unfortunately, I don't have any comparison to before. But by the way, this is without the optimizer. Probably you heard about the optimizer function of Samsung. So this is the normal native photo with about 64 times zoom. Okay, so since for me the difference is too much regarding before and after, let's see if we can remove these protectors here. Yeah, definitely no big deal, very easy, at least the small ones. Larger ones a little bit more difficult, but yeah, actually no big problem. So let's remove this thing here. So I have two of the covers here. This is upside down. Here we have the protection on top, and this is one of the original lenses. And you can see, watch the thing here inside. Here it's pretty much black, but here we have some grayish. There's just much more reflection here. Here there's no reflection. You can't see this pry tool here, but here it's reflecting, here it's reflecting. It's not the same thing here. So there's no surprise that it's not the same thing when you have this here on top of your lens. I mean, of course, nice protection is good, but when you spend $1,000 for one of the best camera phones or phone cameras on the market, then you probably don't want to compromise. I personally never had any damage on a camera lens since I'm using smartphones, and that's a really long time. But I mean, of course, it can happen. But there's also the possibility to replace such a lens if it's damaged, or replace the whole camera module. Costs a little bit of money, but maybe still the better option. And so if you're still interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.